across the stars, asking what fruit begins with A. Alan the alien always thought about what amazing fruit begins with A. He asked an astronaut, but all he said was an angry ape at an air show said
Hey! Hey!
of marching ants. An angry ape at an air show said
Hey!
an army of marching ants said and an accident-prone actor said Alan the alien flew across the stars, asking what fruit begins with A. Alan the alien always thought about what amazing fruit begins with A. He asked an angel who was awesome, but she said Aunt Amy, after an age, said an ambulanceman at an accident said and an airline pilot on an aeroplane said Alan the alien flew across the sky on an aeroplane said Alan the alien Alan the alien flew across the stars, asking what fruit begins with A. Alan the alien always thought about what amazing fruit begins with A. But no one knew, so poor Alan flew away.
Giả sử sửa ra nè thì bà bữa nó không bật.
We'll go walking outside. Maybe we'll
Hey!
touch the sky. Looking at everything just like it's the first time. Eyes and minds open wide. Petals on a flower, leaves open. Trying to catch a little rain. Hello, little ant. How are you today? We'll let you get on your way. Busy bee, hope you're feeling free. Thank you for helping the plants grow. Just like you and me. Seeing what
Mix the colors. You can be new. The video.